Welcome to Atlearn. In this video, we'll guide you through using Zoom on Atlearn for seamless virtual meetings. Let's get started. First, log into your Atlearn account. If you don't have an account yet, visit atlearn.in and sign up. Once logged in, head to the Virtual Classroom section, click New Meeting, and select Zoom to create your meeting.
Schedule your meeting by selecting the date, time, and preferences. You can also add a public view option or enable webinar payments to monetize your sessions.
Once scheduled, your meeting is ready. At the scheduled time, click Join or Start to begin your session and enjoy seamless virtual collaboration.
Ready to elevate your virtual meetings? Sign up on Atlearn today and start using Zoom effortlessly. Visit atlearn.in to get started.